Welcome back, first timers. We're just down the street from Destin, Florida in Miramar Beach.
We're staying at the Destin RV Beach Resort.
Now, we've stayed here before, but we didn't do a video about it. It's a small, quaint RV park right next to the water. And since we last stayed here, they've done some serious renovations and updates to the facilities.
So let's get set up and go pick up our golf cart. Since the last time we stayed here at the Destin RV Beach Resort, they have partnered with Redfish Rentals and Beach Services, and now they offer golf carts here as well as bikes and other items for the beach, like beach chairs that you can rent. If you've watched any of our other videos, you've seen us rent golf carts before, and they've all been electric, but this one is gas powered. I'm curious to see how it rides differently.
First off the bat, these golf carts do have that aggressive stance, not as quite as aggressive as the ones we had out in 30A. There's also no sound bar or lights, but that's okay. We're only cruising just right around here, and maybe we don't want to be bumping too many tunes when we're about to go to a concert. What's really cool is the golf carts are right here in the RV park, and they have dedicated parking spots. So we're just right around the corner. We don't have to take up space from our own camping spot. Terry and I are here for the weekend to go see a 3-day Luke Combs concert at the Seascape Resort right here in Miramar Beach. That video should have already come out before this one, so if you haven't seen it, go back and watch that one. Tomorrow we'll be back and we'll give you a full tour of this RV park, as well as different amenities like the beach access and some of the restaurants in the area. We survived that concert, and it's only day number 1. Today we're going to take you around the Destin Beach RV Resort. We're going to show you the pool, the clubhouse, the laundry room, the newly renovated restrooms, and then kind of give you a quick tour around the park itself.
This RV resort has 36 spots total. We're staying in spot 30. All of the spots have a concrete pad. They also have a really pretty concrete table and chair set. They have 30 and 50 amp power, as well as water and sewer hookups. And they also have Wi-Fi.
One of the first things you'll notice when you're here is it is a really, really nice paved road, but not just that, it's the beautiful trees and the foliage. It is a small park, but every spot is separated by really big, thick and luscious bushes, and then the trees help kind of offset that sun. But even though they are a little bit tighter together, it doesn't feel like it because you have so much foliage in between the spaces.
I'm standing in front of the camp store right now. Above the camp store, they actually have 2 condos, so if you don't have an RV, not to worry, you can still stay here. One of the condos can sleep up to 6 people. It also has a full kitchen in there and a bathroom, obviously. The other condo is a studio. So it doesn't have a full kitchen, but it does have a huge bathroom. And both condos come with everything you need, linens, cookware, all that stuff. They sell ice here, but let's go check out the store and see what else they sell. There's my little greeter. Hi, oh, don't run away.
Oh. Hi, hello.
Hi. The camp store has your basic RV necessities. They also have a little bit of laundry stuff in there and a couple of beach toys. And then they also have a rack with a ton of pamphlets and information for activities and things to do around the area.
So there is a laundry room here. It isn't that big. It's only 2 washers and 2 dryers, and the machines use quarters. But what's really cool is you can pay using a QR code, so you don't have to lug around a whole bunch of quarters.
Checking out the pool. It's got some nice mature trees around it, so you get a little bit of shade, a little bit of sun. The deck is like stone pavers. Pool itself is pretty shallow. It goes from 3 to 5 feet, handicap accessible. What more could you ask for? I can tell you what more you could ask for. Access to the beach. You can access the beach right through the gate by the pool. Right off the pool is a gate that'll lead you right to private beach access. It's only about 200 yards from here, just across the street. And when you come back, there's a shower right by the gate so you can rinse off.
Terry gets the pool and I get the bathrooms. So these bathrooms were recently renovated. They still smell brand new and they're really nice. Each one is private and individual with a shower, a toilet, and a sink. So you can take care of all your bathroom related needs. And one of the restrooms is handicap accessible. It's huge with a walk-in shower. So for those with mobility issues, they got you covered.
The dog walk area is just outside the front gate, so it's not actually a dog run because it's not enclosed, but they do have poop bags and grass. and a conveniently placed fire hydrant for peeing.
We're gonna give you a driving tour of the entire Destin RV Beach Resort, filmed by Terry. So while she's small, she is mighty. What this RV park lacks in size and space availability, it makes up for proximity and those nice little touches. The best part about this RV park is that it's 200 yards away to their private beach, and that's where we're gonna take you now. Typically you would just walk there, but we're already in the golf cart, so we're gonna take you there. The parking lot at the private beach access is pretty large. You could pack a whole lot of cars in here, but this area does serve the Surf Hut restaurant as well as the condos to the left of the access. There could be a lot of cars, and if you're staying at the RV park where we're staying, I would highly recommend just walking over. It's a short little walk.
This is the beach access. You got to go up some stairs, enter your code in the door, and you're in. We're also going to go see if we can find a ramp for those with mobility issues, but also if you have a lot of beach stuff. There's also a ramp to access the beach. It's labeled as Embassy Suites only access, but it's the only ramp that we see. So if you need one, use this one.
So sadly, it doesn't look like you're able to get to the beach without going down the stairs here. So maybe in a future video, we'll look for some more beach access points that you can access with mobility issues. So one of the perks of having a private beach is it's private. One of the drawbacks of having a private beach is they might have more private beach rules. Like this one, you can't set up a tent, and any chairs and things like that, you have to go through the rental company, Redfish, who we got our golf cart from. But it makes it so much easier than lugging chairs all the way down here because you can just rent them and they're already here.
They got everything you need. Chairs, umbrellas, tables. You can rent them for a half day or a full day, and the prices are really reasonable.
Come down to Redfish Rentals, ask for Jose, and don't forget to subscribe to the First Timers.
Right next to the beach access is a restaurant, the Surf Hut. You can get some food, drinks, have a great day on the beach. We're gonna go check it out right now.
So they have ample indoor and outdoor seating. They have a huge expanse of sand area, nice boardwalk right to the water, and they even have a cornhole. This is the place you want to be. So full disclosure, this isn't our first time being here. Last time we came here was probably
2 years ago?
We had some really nice cocktails, just sitting out, watching the sunset, and then enjoying the night there. And so we're really excited about the food. We've heard it's really good seafood, but then we've also heard that they have really good barbecue and smoked meats.
I went with the Surf Hut burger. It's one of their lunch specials. It's got cheese, fried pickles, and a chipotle sauce on it.
And I'm going with an old standby, blackened shrimp tacos. And it comes with all kinds of stuff.
Black bean salsa and cilantro lime rice.
Man, it's just like being back in Costa Rica. We're also gonna try their Bloody Mary. As you guys have been watching, I didn't realize I love them, and now I can't stop drinking them. So we hope it's good. It's not on the menu, so I'm fingers crossed it's good Bloody Mary. This Bloody Mary is packed with all the vegetables. If you're missing out on your vegetable intake, you gotta come get this. It's like a salad in a cup, and I'm here for it. Oh, that's nice. They said that was a Florida-based Bloody Mary mix, and it's really good. Not too spicy, not too peppery. I could probably go with a little extra pepper, but flavor-wise, it's a strong Bloody Mary.
Got my burger here, lots of sauce, fried pickles.
It's a big mammer jammer. There's every topping known to man on that thing. It looks pretty good.
It's a really good burger.
There you go.
Moist, juicy. The bun's pretty soft. Fresh vegetables.
Now, while Terry's going with a meal made for two, I'm going with 2 tacos, got rice and beans. Rice and beans aren't bad. They actually have a lot of flavor. They're exciting. There's a good seasoning and kind of like a light, tangy sauce. So that rice, it's doing it. And these tacos are massive.
They look really good.
Lots of vegetables, lots of sauce. You can see the shrimp down there. All right, Surf Hut, you're knocking out some really serious, flavorful food. I'm gonna crush this, and I guarantee we'll be back again.
The RV park is right on the corner off Scenic Golf Drive. It's the main thoroughfare. It's close to everything. We're gonna cruise around and see what's here. There's public beach access right down the street, as well as the Seascape Resort and a lot of other hotels and condos. Right now we're pulling up to the Whale's Tail. It's another bar right on the beach. The Whale's Tail is a multi-level indoor-outdoor restaurant right on the beach with a bar downstairs.
So that was the down and dirty crash course of the Destin RV Beach Resort.
We had a great time. It is a small RV park, but it's got a lot to offer with that private beach access.
And the proximity to everything. Right now there's a concert on the beach, there's restaurants, there's bars, there's so much to do. And it's significantly less expensive than trying to rent one of these condos. But if you guys are interested in us staying at one of the condos anywhere in this area, let us know, because we want to stay there, but we want to know that you want us to stay there too.
If you've got a condo out here that you would like us to stay at, let us know that too.
If you like this video, check out this video right here, where we went to a 3-day country music festival right here in Miramar Beach. Thanks again for following along in this episode, and join us next time when we try something else new for the first time.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First timers.
High five.